Today we're going to show you our 1259 Mustang door insert, and we want to do a comparison with an imported product that you might have seen and let you be the judge of which one you think is best. First of all, we're going to talk about the packaging. It will come with our instructions, and we've also have our silicone adhesive that we have picked out especially for these type of installs, and it attaches the door insert really well to the Mustang door panel. Again, these fit a 05 through 09 Ford Mustang. There's an imported product that you might have seen, and it will come packaged as this. First thing we notice is there are no instructions and no silicone adhesive. So it's really your best guess on how you're supposed to install these and also how you're going to adhere them to your door panel. So next I'll bring the door panel here and we'll test fit these so you can make a determination of which one you think would work best for you. Okay, now we're going to actually test fit these door inserts into an actual door panel from a 05 to 09 Ford Mustang. Now we're not going to glue them down because we are going to be going back and forth, but we do want to let you see how they actually fit into that area. So this is a Ford 05 through 09 Mustang door panel, as we mentioned, and the problem is that they come with a vinyl covering here, and often that peels away. And we've had a lot of customers that have appreciated these door inserts because we make it really easy to fix this part of the door panel. We have invented an ABS plastic vacuum molded insert that will glue right down over this area, and once it's installed, your door panel looks great. First of all, we'll put the imported door panel on, and as we push it down, it just doesn't have quite the fit it needs to really snap in and work. There's a gap right down here. There's kind of a gap here. Hopefully you see it well in the video. And it doesn't fit as it should in that area. Now we'll put on the Coverlay insert. And again, our part number for this is model 1259. It comes in 15 different colors. And as you can see, we've pretty much made it to snap in place, although you still use the silicone adhesive that we send you. But you don't have the gaps here, it fits better out on the ends, and it just is a really good looking part. The other thing we might mention is that we noticed the finish on the imported insert. I don't know if you can really tell from the video, but there was fingerprints on it. It's got a lot of just faded areas in the paint, so the paint finish wasn't really that great. We thank you for watching the video. If we can help in any way, let us know. Our website is www.coverlaymfg.com. Also, you can follow us on all the social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And on YouTube, we actually show you a full install video of how you install these Mustang door inserts. So again, thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day.